she's puppies in the kitchen. That's Lola, or Yolo. She seems to like Lola better. Lola maybe has a hard sound in the front of it, huh? Yes, yes. Oh, don't bite my shoes. Don't bite my shoes. Ah! That's her brother, little Sandy boy. Yeah. Oh, who's that? That is Red. There's light blue. Woohoo! Trying to decide to play a toy or play with the brothers and sisters. Purple has a toy under the chair that he's mauling. There comes light blue. Yep, there's Purple with his toy. Nice big fish. And Red's going to get the tail. Oh boy, oh boy. Here comes Yolo again. Hello, monkey. Oh, you're eating my pants. Don't eat my pants. Oh, no, don't eat my pants. Oh, here's Green. He was outside. They're trying to go potty outside when they can, at least Pooh. They understand Pooh goes outside if they can get there. Not so much Pea. Ow, ow, oh, Yolo. Oh, that's my leg. Oh, yes. Oh, silly baby. Yes, you silly baby. Uh-oh, two boys. There's Purple, going to join the chase. Red's under the chair. Oh, you'll notice my chair legs are chewed up. It wasn't just these puppies. It's been successive litters have decided the rungs of the chairs make good chew toys. They're just the right height. Like my mouth is there. Hello, Green. Hello, Green. How are you? Aida Boba. Aida Boba. Hello, Yolo. I know you're back, huh? You're back. Who's there? Ow! Ow! Who's there? Hi. Hi, monkeys. Hi, monkeys. It's everybody. There's light blue. There's red and green. Nope, that's teal. That's my little bitty girl. Little bitty teal. Who's over there? Oh, my goodness. Oh, here comes little brown boy. He has the zoomies. He has the zoomies. Ah. Hello, Lola. Hello. Oh, don't bite me. It's Purple. Chewing on my pants. Pants and shoes are a favorite toy. Ow! Ow! Hello, monkey. Hello, monkey. Mr. Green. Hello, Mr. Green. Oh, very sweet. Oh, very sweet. You. What a booba. What a booba. You don't play enough. Oh. Is that Mama teaching her little brown boy what to do? Is that your Mama teaching her brown boy? Oh, he's going out. There he goes. He's going out on the deck. Out to play. Looks like most everybody's gone outside except one or two. And Callie's may go out with them. That's it.